Your body holds on to stress whether you acknowledge it or not. And one of the most powerful things we can do is learning to reset, not just mentally, but also physically. And faith gives us a unique way to do that. When we're stressed, our nervous system shifts into survival mode. So our breath becomes shallow, our heart rate begins to speed up. We begin to have tension and tightening throughout the body. And this is completely normal, but we weren't meant to constantly live in this state. And so how do we shift this? One of the easiest ways to do it is to first turn our attention and awareness to the breath. Slow and intentional breathing is one of the easiest and fastest ways to shift our bodies and nervous systems to a state of calm. And so when we pair this with scripture or a breath prayer or welcoming in God's presence, we have the ability to transform an entire moment, our mindset, our day, even the stress we're holding on to in our body. And I think one of the most beautiful things about being Christians and leaning into our faith is that we don't have to choose between taking care of our mind, taking care of our body, and then taking care of our soul. We can take care of this all in one. God has designed us to be easeful beings. God has made all of these components of us, and He wants us to feel at ease. He wants us to feel relaxed. And know that a regulated nervous system allows you to show up more fully and more present in prayer, in your relationships, in your life. So pour into your self-care today. I have so many different faith-based nervous system practices here on this channel, as well as inside my app, Gather Wellness. And I hope that you will come as you are, take the practices, and find rest and ease for your body, mind, and soul.